package in the mail. I was on my way to school, and I think it's the turbo whistle that I was looking for. And I think it finally came in, so let's open it and see what's inside.
Each night and each day I'm kind of on a dreaming about you. Oh yeah, got this world-class view. But the shoes that I think about.
It is. It's the turbo whistle. Alright, let's go put it on. Let's actually see if this works. I heard these things fall off very easily, so we'll see how long this one actually stays on. Well, there it is, guys. I installed that on my car. You guys see how it looks. You guys heard how it sounds. And in my honest opinion, you can't even tell that it's even on my car. You do hear a little rattling sound at the start, but even when you drive, there's no way you can hear that thing. So if you are trying to get this item, it's nothing that would actually benefit you, I don't think. But if you want to just try it just for fun, get it off Amazon. I bought it for $7 or $8. I'm not quite sure. I can check, and I'll try to put a link in the description. But if you do want to get it just for fun, I say get it. But if you're trying to get it to actually hear it how it's supposed to sound, or how it's described as supposed to sound, it's not gonna sound that way. So it might vary on your car or on any other car, but clearly on my car you can't even hear that thing. So there it is. See you guys.